Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget best Mini-ITX case, but which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget best Mini-ITX case. I have made a list based on performance, features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is a Thermaltake Tower 100. The Tower 100 has a small footprint, coming in at 462mm high, 266mm wide and 266mm deep. It's available in both a snowy white or black edition. This mini tower case comes with 3 easily removable 4mm thick tempered glass windows on the front, left and right side. This allows you to show off all of your gorgeous hardware no matter what side of the desk you decide to pop your case on. Additionally, there are no awkward chunky screws blocking the view here, as all these panels simply slide straight out to make it easy to access your hardware inside. The case also comes with 2 pre-installed 120mm fans to ensure you get peak airflow from the very first power-up. Now, don't let its compact size throw you off. You can still run all sorts of hardware inside the Tower 100. The case is designed to fit ITX motherboards, as well as up to 140mm fans in either of the 2 mounting locations. You can also fit up to a 120mm radiator at the top if you're wanting to run with an all-in-one cooler. You can run with a CPU cooler up to 190mm and a standard ATX-power supply of up to 180mm in length. Finally, your graphics card mounts vertically in the case, with the case able to support a card of up to 330mm. So yes, that does mean it can fit an RTX 3090. The Tower 100 has an array of special features that come together to make this case incredibly unique. Firstly, after extensive feedback, we've made some changes to the airflow in this case. There's now a total of 8 superfine fan filters located on the right, left, top and bottom. These are all designed to be incredibly easy to clean, keeping the dust bunnies on the outside where they belong. The case has an incredibly modular design, with almost every panel being removable. The top panel utilizes a simple press button design, making accessing the top section incredibly easy. You can fit up to 2 3.5-inch HDDs or 4 2.5-inch SSDs, including a separate bracket on the right side for SSDs if you want a bit of both. Finally, the front is equipped with a modern I/O port that comes with 2 USB 3.0 ports and even a Type-C port in an easy-to-access location. The Tower 100 borrows the amazing qualities of the iconic Tower 900 that you came to love, but boasts plenty of unique features that make this mini tower case stand out from its big brother. Its modularity, versatility and small footprint make the Tower 100 a case anyone can see their next ITX build in.
Case V00 from VIVO is an inexpensive yet highly functional Micro-ATX form factor computer case for system builders. The case features a simple, classy design, and its small size takes up less room than most other computer towers. A USB 3.0 port is built into the front panel for modern systems, with USB 2.0 and HD audio ports also included for excellent connectivity. The case also features an efficient cooling system, with room for 2 additional 120mm fans, giving it the capacity to cool hot processors and graphics cards if required. Assembling a system into this case is a simple process. To access the inside, remove the rear thumb screws, then pull the side panels back and then off. Components such as the power supply, motherboard, and hard drive can then be mounted inside. The case is designed to support Micro-ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards, standard ATX power supplies, as many as 2 3.5-inch hard drives, and 2 solid-state drives or 2.5-inch laptop hard drives. A DVD or Blu-ray drive can also be mounted by removing the bay cover from the front. The built-in cable management system helps to keep your system cleaner and more organized, resulting in a better working space and improved airflow for cooling. Be sure to check our full specifications to make sure your system components are compatible with this case.
downsize from a big, bulky full tower case? Or maybe you want a system dedicated to a VR setup, or to be part of your entertainment center. Well then, it sounds like you need a sleek, stylish micro case, and we have the perfect case for you. Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the gorgeous, compact S100 Micro Tower case. Constructed with modern steel, the S100 is the pinnacle of sophisticated elegance when it comes to micro case design. The case is 411mm high, 220mm wide, and 441mm deep. Due to its compact size, this is an incredibly versatile case, able to fit in all sorts of setups, even if they're cramped. Coming in both a sleek black and snowy white edition, this case can effortlessly look good anywhere, whether it's in a professional office space or even in the entertainment center in your living room. There is one 4mm thick tempered glass hinge door located on the left side of the case. This type of glass is more durable and scratch resistant than standard acrylic and gives you a stunning view of all your components. The case comes with a single pre-installed 120mm standard rear fan. Due to its micro size, this case only supports up to an Mini-ITX board, but that doesn't mean you have to skip out on hardware. This case is incredibly easy to run all sorts of different configurations inside, whether you want to build with a fancy AIO or just run your standard stock air cooler. You can run a CPU cooler with a max height of 165mm and a graphics card of up to 313mm in length. Additionally, you can also mount up to two 140mm fans and even one 200mm fan at the top of the case. You can also fit a radiator of up to 280mm at both the front or top of the case. The S100 features a built-in ventilated PSU shroud, aiding you with airflow as well as giving you a handy place to hide all your cables. On top of this, the S100 supports standard power supplies, so no need to worry about buying an SFX power supply. It also comes with a magnetic fan filter on the top of the case and additional filtration at the bottom to protect against dirt and dust. There is a handy drive bay tucked in under your PSU shroud, which can fit 2 hard drives or 2 SSDs. This bay can also be moved to fit your needs, such as if you're needing extra space for a fan. There are 2 mounting locations for your SSDs at the back of the case, which can also be moved around to the front if you need more space out back, or if you just want to show them off. Lastly, your front I/O port comes with 1 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports, all in easy to access locations. So if a full tower case just isn't for you, but you're over your gaming laptop not being able to run graphically intensive games, then building your dream PC in the S100 is a great solution. Combining a sophisticated, elegant style with a compact, versatile size, you are sure to have the perfect setup for gaming, office work, and everything else in between.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.